We're at Ecobuild today, and if you'd just like to tell me your name, position, and the company that you work for.
Yep, I'm Martin Crowe. I'm Head of Environment and Sustainability for Hanson UK, and as such I'm responsible for all of our operations in the UK. So we're a heavy building materials producer. We've got something like 350 sites, which is a combination of cement plants, brick manufacturing plants, quarries, concrete manufacturing. So we're a broad building products company.
If you could let me know the sort of the main standards that you use, and then sort of how you use them within the business operation.
Okay. Well, as I say, I'm Head of Environment and Sustainability with the group, so it's mainly the environmental standard that I use, and which is ISO 14001, and we've been using that in the business since the early 1990s. We also use BSI 9000, which is the quality system. Most of our sites do have environment and quality to the BS, and we have some sites that also have the health and safety standard, BS 18001. I think 14,000, we've found that it's really become, it's something that most of our customers now expect us to have. With responsible sourcing, which has become an increasing area that customers are looking for, 14,001 is a key part of that as well.
And do you think that you can use the standard to help sort of the standards that you use to sort of differentiate yourself from your competitors?
We try to. I think the reality is that a lot of the major companies actually have ISO 14001 now. So part of that is continual improvement though. So I guess that's where we do try and demonstrate that we're there as being the best, really, in terms of how we're performing.
And how do you see the future moving forward? Obviously, sustainability and things like that are going to become more and more just the way we do business. So within your business and stuff, how do you see yourself pushing and developing? And
Yeah, well, you're right. Sustainability is becoming the way that we're doing things, and we've been working on sustainability for, again, since sort of 2000, so 10 or 11 years now. And I think what we're trying to do is to make sure that sustainability is part of the way that people are doing things all the time. And I think that remains the challenge with a lot of organisations on sustainability. It's making sure that it's embedded in the way people behave. And that's something that we're continuing to work on, really, so that every day when somebody comes to work, they just do things a sustainable way. And it's not something that we've got to keep nudging people to say, try and do it this way. It just needs to become the way that it happens. We found with health and safety, which again we've been working on a lot over the last 15 years, people now know that they've got to do things the safe way, and we need to have that same level of approach with sustainability. So when it comes down to saving water or energy, we need to do things in the way that is the best way.
And is there anything that you'd just like to add around either the arena of sustainability or particular standards or anything like that?
Not really. As I say, I think it's something which many of our customers are looking for. Most of the customers are. I think in terms of responsible sourcing, the ISO 14001 was regarded as being how you measured responsible sourcing. That's developed recently into standards which are sort of the responsible sourcing standards. But ISO 14001 is still a key part of that. So, no, it's something we're working on and working hard to try and improve all the time, really.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much, Martin, for joining us today.
You're welcome.